How can I reduce the solar energy system installation cost? Many people become deterred to the idea of installing a solar energy system due to the high price of solar panel installation cost. What most people don't know is that there are many ways to reduce the cost of installation. The average cost of a 5 kilowatt system is about $20,000, but this price can be significantly lowered. You must account for the fact that different states offer different incentives to homeowners to go solar. Incentives that drastically decrease the initial installation cost. Many states also offer state solar tax rebates that can help to unburden the initial cost. Not to mention that the federal government offers the federal solar tax credit that can save you 30%. After accounting for all these factors, a $20,000 project can easily turn into a $8,000 project, provided the state rebate matches the federal tax credit.